Hi, this is a tutorial on how to clone a blueprint. So to begin, you enter into Setup, and then under Process Management, Blueprint, you'll see the blueprints you have available. I want to clone this blueprint, so I hover over the three dots and click Clone. Now, you'll be asked to change the name of the blueprint, so I'll just write New Blueprint. Choose layout. I want the standard layout, and then field. What field will the blueprint be based upon? So I'll change it to call status. So I can either create new states, clone the exact copy of the blueprint, or map existing states to new states. So I'll just clone the exact copy of the blueprint. Clone. And then here I can either add new states or change the ones that already exist. So that's how to clone a blueprint.